Hello, this is Ron Price with UConn Learning, and we had a question asked about making a picture transparent. And sometimes people want to do take a background graphic and just kind of lighten it up a little bit so that it's not so demanding. One of the things that you can do a couple of different ways. One, if you just want to lighten up a picture, you could take this picture, insert it. Here's a typical, office window kind of shot. And if I draw a box over the top of it, well, this is one of the quick ways of doing it, just drawing that box and then coming into that particular box and going into shape fill, or let's say if it was white and no outline, for example. Now if I were to right click this and go to Format Shape, I could drag the transparency to whatever I wanted it to be, and that way I'm just kind of lightening it up a little bit. It's quite simple. One of the great things about this is I can now animate this box to come in, in my articulate course, and therefore it's kind of a gradual lightening or fading out of a picture, whatever we wanted to do. So now this is a lot lighter. However, this picture's still not transparent. It just kind of has a transparent box covering it up. And so I know that I've seen Dave Anderson and also Tom Coleman do some demos on this, and I just couldn't find them, or I would have just linked to them. But basically you can do something very similar by taking that box, and if I draw that box the same size of this picture, that gives you the best results, therefore it's not warping the picture any. Take that, I've got this box here now. Now I'm going to click on the picture and hit Control C to copy it. And when I come back into this box, now I'm going to right click it, and when I go to Format Shape, instead of choosing a solid fill, I'm going to choose a picture or texture. And if I choose clipboard, it will put whatever I just copied into the fill. So this way I will now fill this box with that picture. Okay, so now this is really not a picture anymore. It's actually a box filled with a picture. So since it's a object, I can right click it now and go to Format, and then when I go to Fill, I have the ability to drag its transparency. And so now you can see that this box is actually not just lighter in color, it's actually transparent, and you can see what's behind it. And so this is a different way of doing a similar effect. But if you wanted to now be able to have this window overlaid on top of something else and to be seen through, this is how you can make a picture somewhat transparent. And I know some of you may already know that, but the question was asked to us recently, and Tom and Dave I know have done a great job with that, but that's a quick little demo of how you can do it, a couple of ways that we like to do it. Hope that helps.